day everyone! I'm going to teach you on how to solve this kind of problem. So our problem is rational function. It is x plus 1 over x minus 1. So we're gonna find out what is the answer or what is its x-intercept, y-intercept, vertical asymptote and horizontal asymptote. So let's start. We're gonna write it down here, the problem, which is the x plus 1 over x minus 1. So as you can see, just like that. So we're gonna solve first the x-intercept. So by solving x-intercept, we need to do first the x plus 1, which is the numerator. X plus 1 equals to 0. Then, the number 1, you need to transfer it to the right side so that you can have the answer for x-intercept. X, transfer the number 1 to right side and it becomes negative 1, because if you transfer the positive number, it has a possibility to change its sign. Next step is how can we find the answer of y-intercept. So for having this, we need the numerator and denominator, so which is the x plus 1 and x minus 1. X plus 1 over x minus 1. And it is equals to negative 1. And if you ask why it is negative 1, it's because 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. And 0 minus 1 is equals to negative 1. Then 1 divided by negative 1 is equals to negative 1. Therefore, y-intercept is at 0 and negative 1. So let's proceed to the third step, which is how we can solve vertical asymptote. By doing vertical asymptote, we need to use the denominator by the function of x plus 1 over x minus 1. So our denominator is x minus 1. So we're gonna write it down here. X minus 1. X minus 1. The process of this is just like how we solve the x-intercept. So x minus 1 is equals to 0. And it becomes x equals to positive 1. Why is it positive 1? Because the negative sign transfer to right and it is become positive, because if you transfer a number with a sign, it has a possibility to change its sign. So our vertical asymptote is 1. Therefore, vertical asymptote is at positive 1. Our last step. By this, we need to know how to identify the horizontal asymptote. If you're going to know what is the process of horizontal asymptote, you need to compare the decrease of numerator and denominator of it. So we have 1 and 1, so that our horizontal asymptote is equals to 1 because because 1 is equals to 1. So our horizontal asymptote is at positive 1. So that's all. Hope you understand, and thanks for listening and watching. So this is the result.